Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today we're going to answer a question that gets asked very frequently. How much do vinyl windows cost? So you've heard me say in the past in other videos that I've done, if you follow me, is that there's entry-level vinyl windows, there's your middle-of-the-road vinyl windows, and then there's your premium or, deluxe style vinyl windows. And all of these are going to play into how much you're going to pay for that particular window. If you're walking down the aisle of a big box store and you're looking at vinyl windows that are all on the shelf there, those types of windows, it's going to be more of an entry level. Construction grade, you're gonna be hovering somewhere around $250 to $350, and that's gonna be pull off the shelf, put it in your cart, go to your house, break stucco, put it in. Then you have other options like Milgard or Anlin, Pellas. They all offer a window that is what you would probably call a middle of the road vinyl, but they also offer a more premium line. But as far as the middle of the grade, you're gonna be looking at stuff that, they don't have the little vent stops integrated into the frames. Maybe the rollers aren't quite the highest grade that you would find on another. The weather stripping that's used may be a little bit thinner. Now this is a high grade vinyl, but this is just gonna be just for show and tell. A little bit thinner of a weather stripping, so the window when it closes, it's not gonna be quite as tight. Now, on this, I'll bring this into the focus, and now look at how thick this weather stripping is. This would be indicative of a more premium lined windows. This is really, really great weather stripping. This is what you're gonna see on more of a premium line. For a window that you would see in a mid-grade, yeah, you're looking at somewhere between 400, maybe $500–600 for the window. And then you have your premium lines. Now, like I had said before, there's window manufacturers that will offer intro lines, which is a construction grade, thinner frames. With a mid-grade, your vinyls are getting thicker. They're starting to get better quality. For a premium line window, you're looking at probably, $600 to $1,000 per window, just depending on the size, depending on the operation, things like that. And it could be a little bit more than that. I'm looking at like $1,000 is gonna be like an average cost of what you might if you were to put everything out on your quote and look. So if what you're trying to do is, beautify the house, you plan to live in it for a long time and you want to benefit from the warranty that you're gonna get with brand new windows, then premium is the way to go. You're not gonna pay a whole lot more for a premium line window than you are a mid-grade, say. Hope this helps a little bit. There's more information that I'm probably leaving out, but I just wanted to give you a general idea. I've seen other videos online that, offer this kind of information, and I just wanted to kind of put my own touch on it because I'm in the world. This is what I do every single day. So hopefully this video helps you guys at all. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will try to respond to you as fast as I possibly can. Thank you so much. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.